factory, Baoding Hygienic Products Manufacturing Company Limited. Our factory is located in paper production industrial area, Baoding City, Hebei Province, which is near to Beijing, the capital of China, also near to Tianjin Port, the big loading port in north of China. Baoding Hygienic Products Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2007. We are a professional manufacturer engaged in research and development, production, sales, and service. Our main product are raw material jumbo, toilet paper, facial tissue paper, kitchen paper, hand towel paper, napkin paper, pocket paper, toilet seat cover paper, copy paper, and so on. We have rich experience in this industry. After 16 years of development, our company now has 25 advanced production lines and a team of professional technical researchers dedicated to strict quality control and attentive customer service. Our experienced staff are ready to customize products according to your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. Our company mainly serves customized orders for China's top 500 commercial customers and OEM orders for overseas customers. All products from our factory strictly adhere to and cover a wide range of foreign clients with advanced production equipment and a strict quality management system. We offer high-quality products, competitive price, innovative packaging designs suitable for each customer, timely delivery, effective communication, and excellent service, contributing to our good reputation in the hygienic products industry. We always adhere to double-one cooperation and provide customers with high-quality products and service. The common development and progress with our customers is our relentless pursuit. We sincerely welcome all friends from all over the world to visit our company for cooperation and guidance. Welcome to talk business with us. We will support you to develop market together. Trust us like trust yourself. Thank you.